just to kind of break this down, this is what I was looking for. So now this is something I broadcast live. So this is about 14:45, so 9:45 EST. This is what we're looking for. So this is the first 5 minutes, and I want you to draw a box, and I want you to have 2 lines over here. So we're looking for a breakout. But why is it that some ORB strategies, they work, and then some they don't work? Now, in order for you to understand ORB, it's very difficult for you to trade the opening range breakout without understanding buyers and sellers. You need to know what's going on here, basically, and you need to know what's going on here. You need to know what's going on inside of your range or your level. So in this case, I'm going to focus on that 5-minute range. So it's this price action here. It's the first 5, maybe 6, 7 minutes. So let's break it down, right? So what we can see here is this. So we can see a lot of heavy selling, right, in that first kind of 9:33, 4, 5, right? A lot of aggressive selling, heavy selling. Now, when we have a lot of aggressive sellers like this, you want to ask yourself, aggressive sellers hit the bid, right? So the bid is bigger than the ask, and that's why we see a lot of red delta. So when you see red delta inside of these candles, it just means that there's a ton of aggressive sellers. Now, if there's a ton of aggressive sellers, you want to ask yourself, okay, aggressive sellers, are they going to be successful? So in the first 5 minutes, you don't know, because the whole point of the opening range breakout is to wait for the opening range and then trade in line with whether we break above or below. Now, how do you make sure you're on the right side of that break? So if we're going to break bullish, how do you know we're going to break bullish, right? So the way we want to break bullish is by seeing buyers in control. So this is the mindset shift I want everyone to go through. What you want to focus on as an opening